Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a healthy eating habit with Weight Watchers step by step clearly. Begin by setting clear and achievable goals for your healthy eating journey. Identify specific, measurable targets that align with your lifestyle and preferences. Familiarize yourself with the Weight Watchers program and its points system. Download the Weight Watchers app or access the website for easy tracking. Create a profile on the platform to help tailor your experience. Explore the food database to learn how various foods are assigned points. Start by tracking your current eating habits for a week without making any changes. After reviewing your food diary, identify patterns and areas for improvement. Choose a few simple recipes that fit within your points and are easy to prepare. Make a shopping list based on your new meal ideas and stick to it while grocery shopping. Plan your meals for the week ahead, focusing on balanced nutrition and portion control. Prepare meals in batches to save time during busy days. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet for added nutrients and lower points. Allow yourself occasional treats to avoid feeling deprived and maintain your motivation. Engage with the Weight Watchers community for support and encouragement. Join local meetings or participate in online forums to share experiences. Regularly review your progress to stay mindful and motivated. Adjust your goals and strategies as needed to keep your journey enjoyable. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, to reinforce positive habits. Remember, creating a healthy eating habit takes time and persistence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.